Whether you're a woodworking pro or just starting, all you need is a love for crafting with wood. Join us on a journey through amazing wooden creations that will inspire your next project. From detailed wall art to a wooden Cybertruck, each piece tells a unique tale of skill and passion. And don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more fantastic creations. Let the woodwork adventure begin. Wall art. Can you spend 6 months carefully carving a fantastic piece of wall art from just one block of wood? That's exactly what Bambi, the creative mind of BS Art Studio, and his team did. See the hard work and skill they put into this masterpiece. First, they made the frame skillfully. Then, with amazing precision, they perfected every little detail. It's a real work of passion, and the outcome is just stunning. Cybertruck. Meet the ultimate Elon Musk fan. This person's admiration runs so deep that they crafted a wooden Cybertruck in just 100 days, exclusively for Elon. You can find more of their incredible creations on the ND Woodworking Art channel. Here's to hoping that this extraordinary vehicle catches Elon's attention and gets the recognition it truly deserves. What are your thoughts on this remarkable piece of art? Birdhouse. Here comes a cool birdhouse crafted from old pallets. It's just the right size for a big bird family. Think of it like a cozy home that can comfortably host around 4 or 5 birds. How awesome is that for our feathered friends? The Hobbit's house. This guy is a true adventurer. Take a look at how he built this Hobbit's house. He dug out the space, built the frame and walls, and even crafted a stove. He went on to make a bed, a chair, install doors and windows, and lined the roof with a film and moss from the start. To top it off, he created a path and lined the dugout with stones. And get this, he even made a crib for Loki. The whole project is not just interesting, but also looks super cozy and reliable. A wooden box. Do you love treasure hunt games and dream of having a cool wooden chest? Check out Silaluna. He's got some serious skills. The way he cut and taped the planks to keep the shape just right before gluing the sides is awesome. And voila! The final result is this fantastic box. It's like something out of a treasure hunt adventure. Vintage wood camper. Check out this cool wooden camper made by Mike Krabal. He built a bed, a cool curved roof, and special windows. Inside, there are simple cabinets and a table that folds. The outside is protected with Thompson's waterproofing. He also added a cool rack for stuff at the front. Lights inside and outside, a water pump, and a power center with protection make it work well. If you had this awesome camper, what special thing would you add to make it even cooler? House on the tree. Building a treehouse isn't just about choosing any tree. It involves carefully picking the right tree, deciding which branches to use, planning the structure's base and roof arrangement, and making sure everything is securely fastened. The process is a mix of thoughtful design and practical considerations. The end result is not just a basic living space, it's a beautiful and stylish home that demonstrates a close connection with nature. The evident skills and hard work put into crafting this treehouse make it a unique and impressive home. Chessboard. Let's talk about this unique chessboard. It's not just any chessboard, it's the best one ever made. The fascinating thing is that it's crafted with tools most people already have, not the fancy and expensive machines you see in the big leagues. Forget about those $1,000 jointers, planers, drum sanders, or super high-end table saws and CNC machines. The magic here lies in the simplicity of pine offcuts, a trusty aerosol can of varnish, and a small tin of cedar stain. And the result is a delightful checkerboard with its own drawer, proving that you don't need a fortune to create something truly special. Wooden bicycle. If you can't spend much on a bicycle, check out this wooden one. It looks just like a regular bike, but is made entirely of wood. The clever craftsman used aluminum rings to make the chain more durable, so you get a fantastic wooden bike that you can ride. Wooden house in 30 days. Take a look at this awesome tiny wooden house made by Sirkin Bilgin. In just 30 days, using only hand tools and lots of determination, he turned his passion for nature into a cozy home. It's not easy to create something this cool with basic tools. It shows a real dedication. This comfy house is perfect for anyone wanting to escape the busy city life and enjoy the outdoors. Big applause to Sirkin for making his dream come true. Wooden ox. Looking for a cool Christmas gift idea? How about crafting a walking wooden ox? In this short video, a talented individual made a wooden ox for his girlfriend. That's impressive, right? This walking wooden ox showcased in this video is a replica, capturing the essence of those ancient legends. When people pull the rope on its nose, it mimics the movements of a real ox. Additionally, its storage box can carry its items weighing less than 1 kilogram. Curved porch swing. Look at this cool porch swing. A talented person from Slovenia made it using strong larch wood, regular clamps, and slow-drying glue. It's super strong, fits 2 adults comfortably, and feels like it's floating. That's some awesome woodworking. Wooden house in 5 days. These guys are really amazing. They've got this awesome way of building a family shelter that's both efficient and budget-friendly. What's really cool is they're using materials from other projects, being all resourceful. It's like building with blocks. You can put it together, take it apart, or switch things up. Super impressive, right? And get this, they made this house in just 5 days. What do you think about their clever work? Wall clock. Now let's talk about this special wall clock. This man truly deserves recognition from people all over the world. His creativity seems to have no bounds. Just take a look at how he put in the effort to make every small detail of this hanging clock. What do you think is the most interesting part of his creation? A wooden bike. Looking for a bike? How about a wooden one? Check out this amazing wooden bike. The craftsman skillfully shaped planks of wood into curves, arcs, and circles. The result is stunning, with artistic features and a harmonious, almost musical relationship between the parts. Absolutely outstanding! What do you think of this unique wooden bike? So that's a wrap for today's video. Tell us which one blew your mind in the comments. Remember to hit like, subscribe for more cool stuff, and stay tuned for more woodworking wonders. Keep crafting and loving the beauty of wood.